Assalamualaikum dear, this is Tyre speaking and you're watching MTK vlogs.
तो गाइज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकॉन दबा दीजिए ताकि नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो भी मैं अपलोड करूँगा आप तक नोटिफिकेशन पहुँच जाएगा। तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिए और मुझे फॉलो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम भी कर दीजिए और फेसबुक पे भी फॉलो कर दीजिए।
So today we're going to JC Road to get my tires. So these tires are already wear out. It's almost 19,400 kilometers and already wear out because I'm not getting grip. Back wheel is totally flat and we have 5 punctures in that. We have now, there is air leakage in front and back. Also so many issues with TVS tires, and also it's not lasting that much. Also in cornering the wheel is wobbly, like too much wobbly. So now we are going to change the tires. I'm gonna get the Ralco tires. I already booked it in my shop. That is the favorite bike shop. So we are going there right now. So if you are still watching this video, please share, subscribe and comment, and also like on this video. Also if you want the same tires, you can get them. These are the most recommended tires. Actually I wanted to go for Timson tires, that is the Singapore imported tires from Singapore actually. So the problem with that tire is one tire costed me around 8,500, and for the back and front after discount it is approximately 15,050. So that was a very costly tires, and also it is a soft compound. That means it will wear out very fast. Within like what 10 to 12,000 it will wear out. So this Ralco, I don't know, I think it's a semi-compound tire, Ralco one. Also it's used for off-road and on-road, both. Actually it's a semi-off-road and on-road plus semi-compound. So we already booked it, paid the price for it, and so now we'll just go and take the order. I'll show you. So the front tire is 190/12 and the back tire is 120/80/12. So I'm gonna repeat that again. The front tire is 180/12 and the back tire is 120/80/12. So that's the broader one I'm putting on my NTORQ because for more grip and good cornering effect. So the stock tire on the front is 180/12 and on the back it's 110/80/12. So yeah, that's for the information. I think I'm on the wrong side. I am on the wrong side and too much on the right. So let's meet over the shop. So guys, we have finally entered JC Road. Now we're gonna go to 3rd Cross. That's where the shop is. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum, Tyre hai. So guys, I've come to the shop over here in the petrol station because he has a jack, and this is the tire guys. This is the back tire. As you can see, this is so fat, and this is the Ralco Speed Blaster. Give me a minute. The made in India version. And what is this? Yeah, there it is. It is 120 70 12. This is like so sleek. This is gonna look so cool on my bike, guys. 120 70 12. This is the back tire, and the current tire is 110 80 and 12. And this is the front tire, which is also Ralco itself. So this is the Ralco. As you can see, this is not that much fat because this is a stock version itself, or else I'll get more wobble. So this is 180 12. This is, what is this? This is also, yeah, this is Ralco Blaster ST. So these and all, just now it came as I had ordered. It came, I had to wait for 1 hour. Then near my house, I waited 15 minutes for him. Then he told that there is no jack because I don't have the double stand. I just removed the double stand because while cornering and all, the double stand will touch. As you know, there's not much clearance. So this is beautiful tire, this one and that. That's so fat, damn. Compared to that, it's so. Comparing to this, where's the other tire? He removed it. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So as you can see, this is so like everything, all the threads has been gone. See this one. This is a new tire. This is a good tire. Okay, I think okay. So this is 80 and this is 70, and you can see the difference over there. And also this is the fatness. If you keep like this, it's so fat. Inch difference. And see, I don't have the double stand. We have to put a jack, then do it. And also the TVS tire, they are just good for like 15,000 kilometers. And also they'll, because of that tire quality, I lost all my confidence in cornering also. Now let's see, like 10-15 kilometers we ride this, then we'll get to know how the exact performance and grip we get. This also had like more than 5-6 punches. That also 5-6 punches, more than 5-6 punches. The tire is super hot, this one. I think I was riding it for around 1 or 1.5 hours. And also this is the powder coated rims, black and red. I hope you can see what I'm showing. Yeah, you guys can see. Instead it turned so hard, it washed all the dust. And it's still dirty, but not that much dirty. And also I put the new fog lamps. I'll just make a video on this as soon as possible. So this is a very busy petrol station, and most of the dupes happen over here. I've been duped so many times on my mom's Activa. हाँ लाखों से बड़े खाली पीछे का एक 10 ज़्यादा है सो, सामने का उतना 600. On my mom's scooter I've been duped so many times. My mom's full tank Activa is 5 liters. They've somehow put off 6.8 liters, 6 liters, something like that. I have to pay. There was no proof also at that time. So after 2 times I've been duped, I stopped coming here itself. And then I go only for Shell, for just petrol. So these are the fat ones. वो कॉर्नरिंग करती ना, स्टैंड लगा था. वो स्टैंड लगते ही क्या होता था, तो एकदम वो ऐसा पीछे ऐसा हो जाता, वो उसके निकाल रहा था. So guys, now he is going for putting the nitrogen 36 psi on the back, and I think 26 on the front. I think I have to see what are the for the 131, 120 70 12. I hope there's no problem installing that. And also the front tire is already weak, so weak when I go in this small humps and all, I can feel if I put off more PSI also, still I can feel the bumps. बराबर है नहीं? Tire pressure 63 for checking if the tire has any leakage or no. After then it will be revert back to 36. टायर दे वो 1 मिनट. वजन से माइलेज कम होता नहीं. Oh my god, this is gonna look so cool. Normally it's looking so awesome. I'm gonna give the board the tire. I'm not gonna keep any tire. So guys, we have installed and we are finally riding with the tires on, and we are not still that much confidence, but the confidence is building up. Okay, the confidence is actually building up. It will take some time for me to adjust with the new tires, so I have to wait till we adjust. Like after like that only, I told you, right? 15 kilometers it will be like normal. I'll get used to it. But now I'm feeling like confident than before. Now that I have this tires, okay, this gives like, see, it's easy to maneuver now actually. And back it looks like so good. Like the tire design and the fatness plus my tail tidy, it looks super. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. You can see I have a lot more control now with this tire. I personally recommend this tire. I may do a later review like after like 500-600 kilometer review. So please subscribe for that. So, and also push a bell icon so that in future if I post any other videos like this kind of modification video, 2 videos, you will get to know, and instantly you can watch it before anyone else. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.